got?
So first things first, do you want to explain, do you even remember what code it was that you were getting? It was like P0521?
Something like that. It's an engine 2 lean code. So basically it's, rich? Burning rich then, right? Getting too much fuel.
No, lean means it's not getting enough. Rich is getting too much.
I still don't understand how it could be not getting enough fuel. Well, I can see it the way that it wants to idle down and idle up.
Yeah, but you're also... So basically what happened was this kid ended up needing a new transmission because he has an automatic 4-cylinder turbo Mustang. And
piece of shit.
yeah, it is a piece of shit. You bought an EcoBoost convertible automatic.
Hey, you gotta admit, it looks pretty clean last summer.
For the most part. Anyways, so, he has an exhaust leak right there, right at the turbo. So I guess that could be potentially part of his problem. But, yeah, so it's just dumping right out of there because when the shop put the transmission in, they had to take that off. And when they put it all back together, they hand tightened everything down in there. So... yeah, that just kind of worked its way loose and is now just dumping a whole bunch of exhaust fumes. All right, so the code was actually P0171, and that could either be vacuum leaks or anything to do with an exhaust leak, intake leaks, but in this case, it would be an exhaust leak right here. Yeah. So there's one bolt right down there at the bottom and another one right here. So basically both of those need to be tightened down, and they believe those are a 14 or a 13, maybe a 15. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. But at least we figured out what the problem was.